Hello everyone, welcome back to Military Channel. The RS-28 Sarmat, named after the Sarmatians, sometimes colloquially known in the West as the Satan II, is a Russian liquid-fueled, MIRV-equipped super-heavy intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, under development by the Makeyev Rocket Design Bureau since 2009. It is intended to replace R-36M2 Voevoda missiles, which have been in service since the late 1960s. The new ICBM is believed to considerably exceed its predecessor. The Sarmat is one of the 6 new Russian strategic weapons unveiled by Russian President Vladimir Putin on 1 March 2018. The RS-28 Sarmat made its first test flight on 20 April 2022, and the Russian government expects the missile to enter service later in the year. The RS-28 Sarmat will be capable of carrying about 10 tons of payload for either up to 10 heavy or 15 light MIRV warheads, an unspecified number of Avangard hypersonic glide vehicles, HGVs, or a combination of warheads, and several countermeasures against anti-ballistic missile systems. With an operational range of 18,000 kilometers and a maximum speed of Mach 20.7. The Russian Ministry of Defense said that the missile is Russia's response to the U.S. Prompt Global Strike System. Sarmat has a short boost phase, which shortens the interval when it can be tracked by satellites with infrared sensors, such as the U.S. space-based infrared system, making it more difficult to intercept. It is speculated that the Sarmat could fly a trajectory over the South Pole, completely immune to any current missile defense system, and that it has the fractional orbital bombardment (FOBS) capability. According to various sources, RS-28's launch sites are to be equipped with the Mach active protection system, designed to negate potential adversaries' first strike advantage by discharging a cloud of metal arrows or balls kinetically destroying incoming bombs, cruise missiles, and ICBM warheads at altitudes of up to 6 kilometers. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, comment, and the most important one is to hit the subscribe button for more updates on awesome videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.